Hi, I'm Samira Damirova and today I'm cooking 2 oceans abalone, steamed abalone with orange and honey glaze. To start our dish, I need to have 1 defrosted abalone. Make sure you defrost up your abalone in the fridge overnight for the best results. And to prepare it, I'm going to score the top of abalone in 2 directions. You don't cut the abalone all the way through, but enough to create some scores. So our abalone is now beautifully scored and it's ready to go into a steam basket. I'm going to steam it for 3 minutes before I remove it and glaze it with the orange and honey glaze. After 3 minutes, remove your abalone from the steam basket. And I'm popping the veggies in. To make the glaze, we need 1 tablespoon of honey and 1/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. We're going to cook it down in a pan until it thickens, and then we're going to glaze the scored and steamed abalone. To reduce the sauce, place 1 tablespoon of honey and about 3 or 4 tablespoons of orange juice into the pan. Gently simmer it, stirring occasionally until your sauce has thickened. Our orange and honey glaze is ready and our veggies are nicely steamed. So we're going to get our vegetables out of the basket. They're steamed and ready to be served. Now it's time to glaze our abalone with the reduced honey and orange sauce. Heat the pan with a dash of oil in it and sear the abalone scored side down until it is lightly caramelized. Your pan needs to be quite a bit hot, and once your abalone is caramelized, move ahead to assembling. And then top it up with your seared and glazed abalone. Garnish it with some sliced capsicum and edible flowers if desired. And here is our steamed and glazed abalone with orange and honey syrup, ready to eat.